Hi everyone, welcome to this wonderful knowledge uh, class. Okay, so most of the student, professional, and consultant looking for the SAP server access. So we are going to tell you how you can get a SAP ECC access. Okay, easily and affordable cost. So before going ahead, please like and subscribe this channel, and till end requesting to watch this video till end. Okay, so mostly, okay, as a beginner, okay, or professional, okay, what they are thinking, okay, we have to join the any institute, okay, and you can take the access from there. This is the first method, okay, which is costly, I guess. Okay, so beginner mostly, okay, they have not have any idea, or they have joined any institute and take the training and start that access. But another alternative methods we have also, that is second methods, okay, like buy a server direct from the vendor, okay, which is very cheapest options. Okay, so that's why we are suggesting, we are providing the SAP access very cheapest, okay, and very fast way. Okay, just you can mail us, okay, ping us, or you can just comment on this video. Definitely we will assist you. Okay, so this is a very good in access. Okay, we'll provide the 2 days demo access. You can check it, okay, and okay, then after you can make payment. Okay, it is very lowest cost for the student especially. Okay, and this is the like a practically daily on live ECC sessions. Okay, so we will provide you all the credentials and installation guide. So definitely we'll assist on that. And okay, please, okay, I'll give the demo, okay, how we can go ahead, and practically I'll show you in this video, so please be there. So now third options we have methods, okay, dedicated SAP server also is there. So another first one was the cerebral basically. So who can go for the cerebral, like a individual user or student or professional can go with the shared, okay, server access, because this is the cheapest options. Okay, so you can go ahead and learn and start practicing for this server access. Now second option would be the dedicated, okay, which is advanced user. So which is a very costly for individual. So group of student or people can go with this, or mostly the student who are at the got training from the any institutes. Okay, they have a control to create a users, so and end-to-end practice as well. So best, okay, for the trainer. Okay, so this is a very expensive for the beginner. So we would like to suggest you, if you are an individual and looking for the server access, okay, go for the cerebral, which is very cheapest. Okay, if you have a institute or any kind of a group of student, okay, and trainer, they want to train the 50, 20, or 100 students, okay, then you can recommend it to go with the this dedicated server, because dedicated server have a right admin rights. You can create user, you can configure the settings, okay, as per your training and subject. So it is mostly little bit costly. Okay, so depend upon your requirement. Okay, and mostly like this is okay. So most recommended options would be like, okay, you can go for the cerebral. Okay, it would be most lowest cost, easy login, and okay, enough for job preparations. So these are the theoretically we are talking about. Now we'll come into the practically, how basically if you have access, how we can start, okay, using the system practically. Okay, so let's come into the system. So this is, we have a SAP systems. Okay, so let's come into this is, we have a SAP server. Okay, so hopefully we assume everyone have already installed SAP GUI in your laptops, okay, in the window laptop. So if not, please watch my previous video, okay, so which is very helpful. So first of all, you need to install this GUI in your laptop. Okay, this is the first steps. Second steps, you just double click on this, so it will open. See, it will open that. Okay, so what you need to do, you have to click create. Okay, you have to need to, so the detail like server detail, how will get it from your vendor, from where you purchase this. So you will got all the detail like this IP address, system ID, system number, and login detail. So I am going to tell you. So this is the IP address, first steps. So I'm going to configure here. Go to click create and connections. Now click next. Now here you can put SAP ECC, like any module. If you want for ABAP or anything, you can write there here, and just here IP address and instance number. Okay, I am going to tell you the instance number. We have a 25. Okay, so 25 I have given here, and we have a for H, that is the system ID. Okay, now you have to go next. Now default languages you can always select here. Okay, and default encoding as well. Just click on next. So now you can see your ECC ABAP access has been configured over the GUI. So which is very simple. Just double click on this. So now you can see initial login window will come. Now what you need to do, you have to use your like a user ID. So I am going to here user ID, and this is the password. So these all detail will provide by your vendor from where you have taken. Login language, that is English by default, and press enter. Now it is saying okay, click continue. Now you can see successfully you log in into that, okay, in the system. So now you can go here and check the status about this. See everything, every detail, like time zone, login, previous login, okay, the client number, username, everything in version detail, everything you will get from this screen. Even you can see all the detail will be available here. So status about that. So this is how it works. If you want to check whether it is really system or not, just SC11 and go to Mara, and I'll show you just for that how we can check it. So this is how it is working. So if you click continue, so execute, see how it is look like. So data is available in Mara table. So this is the basic things, okay. So and this is how we are getting the access, okay, for ECC. So definitely will assist you. Please ping me and subscribe this channel as well, okay. Please share with your friend and comment what is your requirement basically, okay. It is very you can say a very affordable cost and very accessible and very easy to use this, okay. If in case any, we have a demo as well, and we have a user assistant, like if you want something like you're stuck somewhere, and 24/7 support also available. So please, okay, mail us if you have any requirements, okay, and please subscribe this, which is most important for further videos. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.